time and said, want to walk you through a brand new Harris that we just got in. This is a 210 Cruiser, so 21 feet in length, and then the Cruiser model. So we'll start on the outside here. On the outside, we've got the gray exterior with a black accent up here at the top. Obviously you can see the Harris here. We got docking lights. We got the flip up cleats, which are really nice. And then there's a lot of other options on the interior, so let's go take a look at that. All right, welcome to the interior. We're gonna start in the back of the pontoon. This particular pontoon has the SL layout, so we've got some nice seating in the back. We've got some nice storage as well, so it's on hinges, really easy. You can fit a lot of different things in there. And then this other seat right over here, I'll lift up. This is a cooler, so you can just throw some ice in there, drains right out. Great place. Got some cup holders there, USBs. And then back here, we do have a ski tow bar, and then the engine is a Mercury 115 horsepower engine. Great for any sort of tubing or skiing, whatever you would like to do. So let's go into the interior a little bit more. So, like I said, SL layout, which is single lounger. So this is our single lounger. It's obviously facing forward right now, but you can adjust it and have it face back. And then you can actually move, sit back here while it's underway because of the chains that we have on the back as well. There's storage underneath pretty much every seat, and they're all on hinges, which is nice. We got the seating here, recessed cup holders with the USBs included as well. When we come up to the helm, we've got a nice helm seat, very soft. It does swivel around. The armrests go up and down, and it does tilt back and forth as well. We got the nice sport steering wheel here. We did do the optional Lowrance hook. We got some other gauges in here. A nice cup holder, a little tray right here for some extra things. There's a USB and a 12 volt as well. This does have the Clarion stereo, so you've got 4 speakers in here. With the Clarion, it does have Bluetooth as well. Got a nice spot right here with a door. There's some storage underneath here, storage under the helm, and then obviously we got some more seating up front. Storage under each one of these seats, again, all on hinges. This is the Moonlight Gray, so this is this Moonlight Gray here, and then we have like a darker gray accent as well with a nice gray woven flooring. So it's a beautiful pontoon SL layout. This is a 210 Cruiser again, so 21 feet in length with a 115, and this is a 2-tune. It is here in our Rogers, right on our showroom. So come on down to take a look at it, or just give us a call and we'll set up an appointment. Hope to see you down here soon.